Hello, everyone. Welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Um, got some bad news. I think we've done this channel since 2016, 2017. Um, see here, about 7 years or so. Less, maybe one or two less, or more than one and two. Bmo was part of this kind of channel, in and out. If you don't know, Bmo is a Japanese cat that we got in Fusa, Tokyo, when I was stationed in Yokota Air Force Base. We got her when she was 4 years old, um, because one of the people that lived in the base did not did not want to take care of it anymore, so we took Bmo in. Bmo was named by the person's daughter. Um, we had her for about 9 years, I would say 9 10 years. She's 13. We just celebrated her early birthday because her birthday is usually in September. Bmo has cancer, and it's the breast cancer of it as well. About a few days ago, I took her to the ER, and at 5 in the morning, and the doctor looked at it as a memory gland cancer, and the treatment was they're gonna have to remove the whole under the memory glands, the whole underbelly, then chemo. And she's fairly old, 13 years old. It's still old for cats. Not a lot of cats do live past 13 to 15 years. Some cats are exceptions, like Coffee. He's 17 and he takes thyroid and kidney medication. But and even he's in his last line as well. So we have two senior cats. And so BMO has really bad growth, and there's pustulence, like pus popping out of the belly. So we got her a onesie, and she not may not be with us for long. Uh, I may end up having to put her to sleep by the end of this month. If it gets worse, sooner. If it gets a little bit better, might be later towards next month. If I see no sign, if I see signs of distress and pain and everything else, I will be putting her to sleep. It is sad for the whole family, even for me. Her nickname is Grumpy Grandma. She swipes at everything. She's very grumpy. Usually, grumpy cat like to live a lot longer than cat that likes to give you a lot of affection, in my opinion. But uh, it sucks. It really does sucks in many ways than I can say right now. Only thing I can do is make her feel comfortable. I don't have $10,000 to $12,000 for her procedures, and if she does go through the procedures, we don't know if she's going to make it through the procedures due to her age. Um, Last time she had anesthesia was towards the end of last year to remove the tumors, and didn't know the tumors were cancerous, and it came back, and it is actually cancerous, and it shows a really fast growth uh, towards end of the year till now. So it was very scary, and all I gotta do is gonna have to wait, spoil the crap out of her, give her lots of love and affection, then go to get her cremated. When that happens, and we'll probably do another video like this, as it is right now. But yeah, you will be posting a lot of her stuff during, like, Facebook, Twitch, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, stuff like that. It'll be most of the stuff might be on Discord, of her updates and everything else. I might do a short for it. Right now, she likes to hide in very dark corners. Uh, Usually, people does not go to, and that's a sign. Uh, she's towards the end of her cycle, and it is one of those things. Just looking at her just makes me really sad because I want to do something really quick, but I have two other people in the family wants to keep her alive as much as possible. For me, I'm just going to have to do what I have to do, and take it to the vet and get it done. I don't have much of an update right now for the channel because I'm dealing with this, dealing with a D&D game that's coming up on Thursday, and we just finished the cultist. So the next one we'll be painting will be the mountain orcs. There'll be shorts coming up fairly soon, hopefully. Um, but there are a lot of videos already been scheduled towards March, so don't be surprised if you don't see like if you see like a gap between a week of shorts. I'll let you know right now. We have shorts all the way to the end of this month. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you guys do understand that uh, uh, we don't have actual kids of our own, but we actually consider our cats our actual babies. So father of several fur balls, I do love them to death. It's just one of those things that I hate doing all the time towards their expected end of their life cycles. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.